Grand awakening, Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Book a massage with me. Check out the NFTs, the music, the ebooks. Your word of the day is serenity upon your soul, your aura, your environment. A peaceful Scorpio is not only effective, but that's when your magic really is released, because you already believe in yourself. But you have so many things radically going through your mind, so many people swimming in your ocean, so many waves are tossing and turning. But when you calm your waters, when you calm your ocean, you make sure the people that you allow in your water are the ones that you allow in your water, and they also respect your limits. And you're not always looking to water everyone else's tree. It's time to worry about you, because when you take care of yourself, a healthy, happy Scorpio is going to change the world, because that's in you naturally. So do not exhaust yourself on working on making sure everyone is okay. Right now, it's time to make sure that you are peacefully, happily, spiritually, mentally at peace and happy. So therefore, if you're fulfilled, your duty and what you do naturally is going to fulfill the rest of the world. Through love, I release inner work, and I knew peace. And I know peace. I have a gentle view of life. I welcome every step with confidence, because I know it makes me better, and I remain brave in the face of fear. I have the wisdom to let the universe do its work. It's time to sit back, relax, and be peaceful. Enjoy the work that you've done. You've done everything that you can. Now let spirit do their job. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.